In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your website using both manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. Whether you're a seasoned website creator or just starting out, this guide will provide you with the foundational skills you need to become comfortable with these powerful tools and take control of your site's appearance and functionality. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to wix.com. Once there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This step is crucial as it grants you access to your site's dashboard, which acts as your control center for all things site related. Here, you can manage your site settings, check analytics, and much more. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the section called My Sites and select the specific site you want to work on. Next, you'll need to click on the button labeled Edit Site. This will launch the Wix editor where the magic happens. It's in this environment that you can add, edit, and customize all aspects of your web pages. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different tools and options available to you here, as this will be your workspace for tailoring your site's design. Now, let's dive into editing the layout of your site. Identify the section or strip on your page where you want to make changes. Hover your mouse over this area until the option Manage Columns appears. Go ahead and click on that. This feature allows you to adjust how your page's content is divided, making it a critical tool for ensuring your site's look aligns with your vision. Once you've selected the column you'd like to modify, you can easily resize it by clicking and dragging the divider line. You'll notice percentage markers that indicate the column's width as you adjust it. This visual aid is incredibly useful for maintaining balance and symmetry across your layout. Release the line when you're satisfied with the size. This function allows you to play around with your site's visual hierarchy and aesthetic appeal. While you're in the columns menu, notice that you can also add or remove columns entirely. This flexibility is advantageous for customizing your page's structure precisely to your needs. Whether you're displaying products, showcasing images, or organizing textual content, being adept at managing columns gives your site a polished, professional appearance. Remember, as you resize or reorganize your columns, you may need to adjust any text or images within them to ensure everything looks just right. This step ensures that your site's presentation is seamless and user-friendly. And there you have it, a comprehensive yet simple way to manage your website using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. With these techniques in hand, you can confidently modify your site's layout to best suit your objectives and style preferences. Thank you for watching and happy editing.